everyone, I'm Kelly from Craft and a Cuppa, and today I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to do the popcorn stitch. Now, just a couple of things that you need to know is that I'm going to be working in US terms, and your popcorn stitch will be made on the right side of your project, not the wrong side. So when you make it, you will have your right side facing you, and that's about it really. Okay, so for my sample, I've been doing a popcorn, chain one, skip stitch, popcorn, chain one, skip stitch, popcorn. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to carry on doing that. So I am ready to make my next popcorn. So I'm just skipping my next stitch. I'm going to go in the stitch where I want my popcorn to be, and I'm going to place 4 double crochets in that very stitch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our hook out of this stitch, but before we do that, we're just going to make the loop a little bit bigger so we don't pull the stitch out. Just about there. Right, now you need to come back to your very first double crochet that you made and insert your hook through the top of that stitch. And now we're going to reconnect the loop that you just pulled off, like so, and tighten it up. And then we're going to do a slip stitch. So you're basically going to slip stitch the last double crochet and the first double crochet together. I like to make mine a bit tight, so I just pull on it a little bit. And then to complete the stitch, you are going to chain 1. And that is your popcorn. Now, because my pattern is chain popcorn, chain 1, skip stitch, popcorn in next stitch, I now need to do another chain 1. Although I've done a chain 1 here, that is part of my popcorn stitch and it closes that stitch. So I need to chain another 1. And you've got to be careful when you're doing this because that could always catch you out. You might think, oh, I've just chained 1 already, but no, that closed the stitch. So I've chained 1, skipping a stitch, going in my next one, and I'm doing another popcorn. So it's 4 double crochets in the same stitch. Oh, I've just got that last one twisted. Let me just make that last one again, hang on. Let me just check, yep, 4 double crochets in the same stitch. I'm just going to make that loop a little bit bigger and remove my hook. And I'm going to put my hook through the top of the first double crochet that I made. Put the hook back on the loop, tighten it, and then do a slip stitch. Like so. And then chain 1. And that is the entire popcorn. So I'm going to carry on with my little pattern. Chain 1, skip stitch, popcorn in next stitch, 4 double crochets in the same stitch, pull out my hook and go in the first double crochet, put the loop back on the hook and place a slip stitch. Just tighten it a bit just to help my popcorn pop out. Chain 1, and that is the popcorn stitch. How many more have I got to do? I've got 2 more to do, so I'll do 2 more with you. Chain 1. For me, this is my pattern, remember though, if you're putting popcorns all next to each other, then you don't need to chain 1. But I think they look too much if they're all squished up. I think it's quite nice to have a bit of a gap between them. So I am going to skip my skick. What's a skick? Skip a stitch. I'm going to go in my popcorn stitch I'm making with 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4. Take my hook out but make that loop a little bit bigger. Go in the first double crochet. Put my loop back on the hook. Tighten it. Slip stitch. Pull it a little bit tight. Chain 1. Chain 1, skip stitch, popcorn in next stitch, which is 4 double crochets, take my hook out, go in the first double crochet, put the loop back on the hook, slip stitch, chain one, skip stitch, and I'm just going to put one double crochet in the end of mine. And there we go. You have just done the popcorn stitch. It's amazing for adding a bit of texture. I'm now wondering if I can incorporate it into a sweater. I have done a sweater actually, but it's bobble stitch my sweater is, but yes, who knows. But there we go. Popcorn stitch. Well done. See you next time. Goodbye.